In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Distrokid subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect along the way, and how to confirm the cancellation with confidence. Start by heading to Distrokid and signing in if you aren't already. Once you're on your music dashboard, look to the top corner of the page for your profile icon. That small icon is your gateway to all of your account settings. Click it to open the menu, then choose Account. This takes you to the main page where Distrokid groups your personal details, billing, and plan information. On the account page, scroll until you find the subscription section. This is where your current plan is listed, along with any add-ons or extras you've enabled. It's a good place to pause for a moment and double-check which plan you're on, since the next steps will apply to that active subscription. Next, click Manage. This opens your plan management options. Among the available links, find the option that says Cancel Membership. Select it to begin the cancellation flow. Don't worry, clicking here doesn't instantly cancel everything. You'll be guided through an explanation page first so you can make an informed decision. You'll land on a page that clearly explains what happens after you cancel. Read this carefully. Distrokid uses this step to outline how your membership and releases are affected, how billing changes, and what happens to any extras tied to your plan. It's designed to help you avoid surprises, so take a minute to review the details, especially if you have active releases or time-sensitive projects. When you're ready to proceed, you'll be asked to confirm your identity by entering your account password. This security step helps protect your account from unintended changes. Type in your password exactly as you normally would. Finally, click Cancel My Membership to complete the process. After you do, you should see on-screen confirmation that your cancellation has gone through. Keep in mind that the explanation you reviewed a moment ago covers what to expect next, whether your plan ends immediately or at the conclusion of your current billing period, and how your releases or extras may be affected going forward. That's all there is to it. You went to your dashboard, opened account from the profile icon, scrolled to subscriptions, selected manage, chose cancel membership, reviewed what happens after cancellation, confirmed with your password, and clicked cancel my membership. If you ever decide to return, you can come back to Distrokid and pick a plan that fits your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process quick and clear.